Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Here we are going to share one magical Ayurvedic mixture to help you reduce kilos in just a week. Obesity is a growing problem in today's world, owing to an unbalanced diet and a sedentary lifestyle. Being overweight increases your risk of developing diseases such as diabetes and high blood pressure. People use various diet and exercise plans to reduce weight. If you're someone who wants to start adopting a healthier lifestyle and wants to make certain changes in your diet plan, then you've come to the right place. Spilling out an Ayurvedic weight loss drink which is considered quite safe and effective. Before we go ahead with this incredible remedy, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss and fitness tips. Weight loss drink. Cumin, karein seeds, fennel, and asafoetida are all popular spices and medicines. They contain properties that are extremely beneficial to the body. Cumin, karein seeds, fennel, and asafoetida are also used as medicines in Ayurveda. The mixture of this Ayurvedic seeds is quite effective for reducing extra kilos. Weight loss benefits. They are considered beneficial in keeping digestive system healthy as well as aids in getting gastric issues. These spices are quite beneficial in keeping body's metabolism right, which helps in maintaining weight. The anti-inflammation properties present in cumin, karein seeds, fennel and asafoetida powder helps in keeping the stomach full. These Ayurveda herbs helps in eliminating extra fat from the body. By consuming it, the extra fat is reduced rapidly. They are beneficial in reducing blood sugar levels, hence, making it quite effective for diabetic patients. If you love this video, please click the subscribe button now and share it with your friends. How to make this weight loss diet powder. To begin, combine cumin, ajwain, fennel, and asafoetida seeds in equal parts. Now lightly roast them before grinding them into powder. Store this powder in an airtight container. Take a spoonful of powder with a glass of warm water. Consuming it on an empty stomach in the morning is thought to be more beneficial for weight loss. Aside from drinking it by adding it to water, it can also be used as a spice in salads. Try this remedy and send your feedback in the comments below. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.